Hello everyone, we are reading chapter 2, that is addition and subtraction. And in the last class we have learned how to do word problems related with subtraction. And today we will discuss how to frame a word problems on subtraction. As we have discussed in the previous exercise on addition, how to frame a word problems related with addition, in the same way we can here also form the word problem related with subtraction. Just few things we have to keep it in mind. The first thing is that note down the quantity of number. Means first you find out that number is in which quantity, that is in 100 or 1000, 10,000 or lakh. Okay, then relate this number, the given number in the question, relate that question with your real life, with your daily life, and frame accordingly. Clear? Relate this number according to your real life and frame a question. Clear everyone? So it will be a more clear when we will do the exercise. So let's do the exercise. So question number 2A. 25,694 minus 1,827. So this is the number and we have to form the what? We have to frame the question. What? We have to frame the what problems. So let's do it. Mr. Ram deposited. Think Mr. Ram. Mr. Ram deposited rupees 25,694 in his bank account. Later, he withdrew rupees 13,827. How much money was left in his bank account? Okay, so this is the number and we have to subtract. So Mr. Ram deposited rupees this 25,694 in his account. Later on he took out, withdraw means he took out 13,827 rupees. Okay, so now how much money was left in his bank account? So this much money left in his bank account. Clear how to do? Good. So let's do question number B. So this is a number B, 69,250 minus 48,794, and here also we have to frame a word problem. So do it, think it and do it. So let's take a large tanker, truck. You know, large tanker truck can haul up to 69,250 gallons. Gallons, you know, na? Jarkin. That. Gallons of water. See, A tanker is there, large tanker that can hold this much gallons of water. If the truck already contain 48,794 gallons of water, means the capacity of the tanker is this much, 69,250 gallons, but from before only it was already filled with 48,794 gallons. So now how many more gallons of water will be required to fill the tanker? Now how much more? How many more gallons of water will be required to fill the tanker. Now see, this is the what problem related to this number. Clear? Good. C, 2,78,658 minus 1,56,984. So now the number is bigger. So now we have to what? Think with this number, large number. How can we do it? So do it. Very simple. By how much is 2,78,658 more than 1,56,984. Done. Simple. We have to find out by how much more. Means, see, by how much? The answer is 1,21,674. This number is bigger than this. Clear? Okay. Now see question number D. 9,50,000 minus 8 lakh. Now we have to think with this number. So let's think. A company manufactured 9,50,000 bicycles in a day and sold 8 lakh bicycles. How many bicycles were left with them? See, so A company manufactured 9,50,000 bicycle in a day. Means they are making 9,50,000 bicycle in one day. And on the same day they are selling 8 lakh bicycles. Then how many bicycles were left with them in one day? We have to find out. So 1,50,000. Clear? Good. Thank you everyone.